G3? No! G6.
Like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly. Like a G6, like a G6, like a G6.
Hey Mandy, what sub team are you on?
Mechanical.
And how's that going? What are you working on now?
Right now we're working on the prototype for the shooter.
And how's it going?
It works, but we just need to make it more consistent. So
That's good. How consistent is it right now?
it's probably only about 25%. But that's of course because we changed the prototyping in 3 days. So.
That makes sense.
But hopefully it'll work by maybe 2, 4-ish.
It's okay, yes. I'm so proud of it. Something from an essay she wrote for Woody Flowers in her chairman's essay.
Hi guys.
She was okay, what?
Unfortunately, it has to be from. Pick us up from. That's what I said, but Leanne changed it.
It just has to be, right? It has to be from.
That's what I thought.
Comfy chair.
No.
Just take the comfy chair. Sit. Take the chair. Get in the chair, woman.
Oh, much better.
Okay.
Fine.
Much better.
I accept you, Sunette.
Can I have
I
the
accept
stool?
you.
The stool would probably do the same thing, you know.
Kill it, Leo. Kill it.
Oh, that was smooth.
Boom.
He's like, I can do that too, watch. Yeah, see? Done.
Whoa.
Oh.
Party tricks.
Literally.